Hey everyone, welcome back to How To with Sonny. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop your iPhone screen from turning off too soon, and what to check if you can't change the auto lock time. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Display and Brightness. Next, scroll down and tap Auto Lock. Here, you can choose how long your iPhone should wait before the screen automatically turns off. For example, it may be set to 30 seconds, which means the display will lock very quickly if you're not touching the screen. You can change it to a longer time such as 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, or 5 minutes. If you don't want the screen to turn off automatically, you can also select Never. Now, if the auto lock option is grayed out or you can't select a longer time, there's another setting you should check. Go back to the main settings page. Scroll down and tap Battery. Look for Low Power Mode. If low power mode is turned on, your iPhone may limit the auto lock setting to help save battery. Turn low power mode off. Then go back to Settings, Display and Brightness, Auto Lock. You should now be able to choose the screen timeout setting you want. And that's it. You've successfully changed how long your iPhone screen stays on before automatically turning off. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.